So God is a complex entity.
Okay.
So we believe in the Trinity, of course. And then
But do you believe that God is one, though?
God is one.
Okay.
Yes.
Is he all-knowing?
Yes.
All-powerful?
Yes.
Did Jesus know the hour?
Actually, in the Catholic theology, you would say yes.
Okay, so Mark 13:32, right? And this is a verse I'm sure you knew.
Also in Matthew.
Also in Matthew, that is true. So when here, it says, of that day and hour, no one knows, not even the angels in heaven, nor the Son, but only the Father.
Yes.
So if Jesus knew the hour, then this would be a lie.
Mm-hmm. So the way that I would respond to that is the relationship between the Father and the Son. So I would argue that the Son is an obedient Son, all-loving Son. Father is also all-knowing, all-loving. The Son's mission was to come down here and sacrifice himself as the Messiah to forgive us all of our sins. And part of that, he became human. He has two natures, human nature and a divine nature. He never is, 50% human, 50% God.
100%, 100%.
100%.
You can have 200%.
Yes, because we're talking about two different natures.
Did he know the hour, yes or no?
He had the ability to know the hour, but he did. He limited it. I would say that he limited himself.
So the ability to know the hour, or did he know the hour?
He had the ability to know the hour, but he limited himself to not know the hour because of his human nature.
So he didn't know the hour because he limited himself.
He had the ability to, but he limited himself.
I didn't ask you if he had the ability to. Like that's like me saying I have the ability to work out and lift 350 pounds, but I can't. I have the ability if I.
Or you're just not doing it right now.
Well, exactly.
Yeah.
So at that moment, Jesus limited himself and he didn't know the hour.
We'll say that, sure.